today our topic is feminist history. What is our topic today? Can you hear me? Feminist histories. Okay. So this question was came last year in the board exam also, means in the March 2020. So we hope that it is a very important question for the board purpose. So and some important writers are also mentioned there. And feminist female writing is there. So we have to be very serious how it was started, what was the reason behind that, and what all we have done in this. So listen properly. If you don't hear me properly, then you can call me. Over a significant period of time, many male scholars were involved in the writing of Indian history. Page number is 12 there. You can see on page number 12. This lesson number 2's last subtopic is there. We will finish this subtopic and then we will finish the lesson. Okay. So over a significant time, we have seen that before this feminist writing, before this female starts writing, before that, all the male writers were writing mostly the histories. The writers were all male. Male means James. As a result, the role and achievements of women in history remain neglected. So because of that, what happened? All the authors were mostly male writers. So they have not given the importance to the female character if they plays any important role also in the history. It was neglected till that time because no female authors were there, especially the Indian female authors. So they all have given importance for their male dominated character because of that only in all the old stories we have seen that mostly the story is revolving around the hero only. The story is revolving around the heroes. Hero के ही आजू बाजू में सारी stories revolve होती थी and the female character was not given that much important. But when feminist writing started, a female writer started writing, then the importance to the female characters also began highlighted. To highlight this fact was a major task posed by the feminist historian. Feminist historian has posed a very important role in this work. Also, it was important to study and compile history writing of women. It was also necessary to rethink of women's position in history. And at the same time, it was also important what is the role of the woman in the history and what important work women positions is there in history and what great work they have done in uh, history. All that has to be mentioned. So some of the great writers of Indian feminist writers are given there. Among women's author writing about women in the 19th century. In the 19th century, Tarabai Shinde was the foremost one. The very famous female writer was Tarabai Shinde in the 19th century. We are living in which century? हम लोग कौन से century में अभी? Hello. Okay, and we are talking about 19th century. So you can understand since how much back this time was there. So in the 19th century, Tarabai Shinde played an important role in feminist history. She wrote attacking male-dominant social system and the caste system. She wrote about the caste system, which was so much rudely in our society, and main thing was in our society was male-dominated. Means everywhere the male were considered as the superior one, and woman was considered as the inferior one. So these things she brought into the notice of the people through his work. Her book, she wrote the book Stri Purush Tulna, published in 1882. Again, this is the important question as a point of objective. Uh, the book Tarabai Shinde wrote, its name was Stri Purush Tulna. So you should know that Tarabai Shinde has written which book. So we should know that the book's name was Stri Purush Tulna and it was published in 1882. Sometime it may comes in the form of filling the blanks and sometime it may comes in the choose the correct pair. So we should know that. These are the small things, but it is very important for the part of the exam. In 1818, the book written by Pandit Ramabai was published entitled The High Caste Hindu Woman. So again, Pandit Ramabai also has written one book which name was The High Caste Hindu Women. in the year 1888. Again, we should remember that Pandit Ramabai has written which book and what was the name of that book. So the book's name was The High Caste Hindu Woman. So can you hear me? आवाज आ रही है? Oh, okay. Okay, well, fine. The next come the feminist literature of the post-independent era concentrated on the issues like employment of women. So again in the feminist literature during the post-independent time, the important thing which was mentioned in that was employment of women. So as the male were getting the jobs and everywhere, so like that women should also get the job, they should also employ it and they should also treated equally, treatment meted out to them at the workplace, their right to political equality, etc. Everything should be maintained. They should also be treated as equal to as male. In olden days, some places, the people were giving importance to the male servant and the male was paid highly for the same work and for the same work female was getting low wages or low salaries. So they told that both male and female for the same work, for the same task, both should be treated equal and both should get the same salary. And at the time, they should have the right to political equality. Equality also should be given to them. Among the recently published feminist literature, Mira Kosambi's book, Crossing Threshold, Feminist Essay in Social History. So, again, another writer's name came here. Her name is Mira Kosambis. She has written the book. Her book's name is Crossing Threshold, Feminist Essay in Social History. We should remember the name of the author, the name of the book which they have written. Tarabai Shinde. Tarabai Shinde has written Stri Purush Tulana. Pandit Ramabai has written The High Caste Hindu Woman. And here again Meera Kosambis has written the book Crossing Threshold, Feminist Essay in Social History. Is also important. Now, what this book contains? This book contains essay on the life stories of women like Pandit Ramabai. So, she has written on the life of Pandit Ramabai and at the same time Dr. Rukmabai. And Rukmabai was the first practicing lady doctor of India. She was the first lady doctor practicing in India. Her name was Dr. Ramabai. So, on both the characters' life, on both the people, uh, Pandit Ram